Hybrid encryption is an approach that combines two types of encryption: AES, which is fast and efficient, and RSA, which is secure and key exchange. AES can quickly encrypt large dataset, but its challenge is the key and exchange. This is where RSA comes in. By encrypting the AES key, it eliminates the need for prior secret key sharing. Together, they provide a secure and efficient encryption system. Here's how it works. First, we generate a random AES key. This key is used to encrypt the actual data, which is done quickly due to AES symmetric nature. Next, we encrypt the AES key using RSA, which is slow but very secure for small piece of data like keys. Finally, during decryption, the RS private key decrypts a AES key and the AES key decrypts the large data. Hybrid encryption leverages the speed of AES and the security of RSA. It's highly efficient and is widely used in practical applications where both speed and security are necessary. Then we have prerequisite, then we need Python, then record library, PyCryptoDome, a self-contained Python package of low-level cryptographic primitives. Then the command is pip install PyCryptoDome.